Now for the next DIY, I'm going to take one of the Pink Flamingo summer cups. They have a lid and a screw like this. I am just going to use the Pink Flamingo itself. And I wanted to make a little holder for my coffee stirrer sticks. But I did want to get rid of this top part where the lid screwed on. So just using a razor blade, I'm going to cut that off. Now I do have one of those heated razor blades, but I've removed the blade from it and then I can't find the blades. So I ordered more blades and I still don't know where they're at. I'm telling you. My age, my age. So I'm just having to make do with a regular razor blade, and it is easy to cut, but I think that the hot knife would have really just melted this and made this so much easier because I had a hard time trying to get this relatively smooth, but I was able to get it. It's now shorter, so it's going to be the right size to hold my little coffee stirrers. I don't like the way that the beak is painted because it's only painted black on top, not all the way around. So I'm just going to touch that up really quick. That's really the only detail I'm going to add to this. I'm going to leave the feathers and everything as is. I do touch up the eye a little bit to make it a little bit bolder here with a black paint pen. But that's really the only detail I'm going to add to this. I think it's really cute as is. And I think it's going to be a really cute holder for these little coffee stir sticks. It's going to be on the bottom shelf there, so it's going to be easy to reach these. And it gives it a fun coffee theme for our coffee bar. This is how it looks on my coffee bar. And I decided to display that little cup of coffee that we couldn't use before with this pink flamingo. It's the perfect size for it. So I kind of set those together here on the bottom shelf. The next item is something that I got at Target on clearance. It is two flamingos hugging and they have like wired legs that are kind of hooked together. I think they're so cute. And I'm always looking for pink flamingo items. See how they're hugging with their necks? And so this was a no-brainer. I had to have it. They're made out of felt. As you can see, the design is adorable and it fit perfectly between the sign and the pink flamingo to fill out the top of my coffee bar. But I do have room in front of it for some smaller things. So I found one of the light up pink flamingos from the Dollar Tree. I thought that'd be perfect. I love this. It's one of my favorite things. They can be hard to find. And I'm going to put that right here in front of this sign. He's got a beautiful look on his face with his feathers up. I love him. And he's a fun light that you can light up as well. And this is how he looks in front of that pink flamingo sign. And then I have room for one more pink flamingo. This is one of the little mini ceramic planters from the Dollar Tree that is a pink flamingo design. And I'm going to use it for my sweeteners for my coffee bar. So it's not only going to be cute, it's going to be functional. I just put my sweeteners in there and this is ready to go. So it kind of shows you the scale. It's definitely a tiny little planter pot, but for $1.25, I could not resist this for sure. And this is how it looks on my coffee bar. It finished off that bottom shelf of the coffee bar.